What's your favorite scary movie?
Phantasm?
Did you see the movie with us growing up? What's your favorite scary movie?
Is that the part where she answers the phone at the beginning?
Yeah, Drew Barrymore with the,
The red hair?
That's what I meant.
Yeah, that's what I thought. See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. You guys don't understand at home. You love it. This is why he does it. It feeds into it. I hate it. You try living with him for just 1 year. Then we'll talk about it. Talk about how great it is then, how funny it is then.
Who was the killer in Friday the 13th?
Mark?
I'll ask you. Who was the killer in Friday the 13th?
You do actually want us to answer you?
No, I wasn't in the movie.
Oh, I don't know the answer. How would I know?
Do you remember this being in the movie?
Yeah,
This is from Scream,
I know.
considerably years later.
Okay, this one time when I was 8 years old, he made me dress up as an Oscar Mayer wiener. Have you seen that costume? I had no choice, I was 8. And so he sent me out in the freaking wiener suit, and the neighbor's dog, which is a German Shepherd, got off the leash and chased me down the street. Have you ever tried running in a wiener suit? That's a bunk mask too, Dad.
It's creepy.
Do you want to die, Sydney?
My name's not Sydney.
God.
Play along for the movie.
We're not in the movie.
Oh, God. See why it's so hard to get anything done around here?
Yes,
Yeah,
I do.
yeah. Well, I'm
My
glad you're here
God.
to help.
Yeah, good thing I'm here to help.
Yes.
So as if it couldn't get any worse, my phone rings. And it's my dad. It's my dad. It's my dad. Should I answer it?
Yeah, why not?
Oh my God. Hello?
Do you want to die, Sydney?
I'm not Sydney.
What's your favorite scary movie?
Night of the Living Dead. I think it's kind of funny. We loved scary movies growing up, and we loved them as kids. I don't think either one of us has grown up.
I don't even know. Do I have
I
to?
want to see what Dougie's insides look like.
Number 7 in? You want to trade sides?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, we'll get number 2 spark plug in here.
And then a few minutes later, I get a call from my husband, Chris. So I answer it. Hey, babe.
Who was the killer in Friday the 13th?
Dad, why? Why is your number coming up as Chris's number?
Wrong answer. Your boyfriend dies.
Look, I don't know how my dad did it. I know he didn't just download an app and spoof it because he doesn't know how to do that stuff. So I don't know what he paid for someone to do this for him, but it just goes to show you how crazy he is and how far he'll go.
You know, everybody want to be a vampire, nobody want to be a vampire. What about that question? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I mean.
I bet you he spent money. That's my dad. Spend millions of dollars for a joke.
So one night, Mark shows up at my house unexpectedly in the evening and stands at my front door in a gorilla costume. I don't even know who it is. He just stands there, motionless. You talk about creepy. I think Alyssa's right. I think Mark is crazy.
God, how does he even find time to do that? He never texts me back, okay? I'll text him, never text me back, but he can find a way to make his number Chris's number on my phone. You know, it's a funny thing because I'll text my dad and I never hear back from him. I'll text him, hey dad, what's going on? I'll text him about work, don't hear anything. I'll text him happy birthday or happy Father's Day, nothing. Well, thank God we're almost done, so then I can leave. Christine's in the office watching the baby. And you know what? I just figured it out. I know exactly why he had me come today.
Why?
It's Halloween.
Oh, no kidding.
So right as Doug and I are starting to finish up, we have to put the last plugs in and then we're able to fire up the car. Guess who shows up with his last round of crazy? It's taken forever.
What? What?
Dad, what?
What now?
What?
Now what?
I got your costumes
Costumes?
that you're going to wear for your lit interviews.
I don't do Mark's silly crap. I'm down in the paint shop with my team, working, doing my thing. His tomfoolery can be meant for Doug and Alyssa. It sure as has nothing to do with me.
I told you!
Frankenstein.
Oh my God.
This is what I'm talking about. Frankenstein, he's my hero. I love this. We both hate fire.
Why do you look happy about this? You look like it's a gift. It's not a gift. You have to wear this
Yeah,
on
you
TV.
think that's funny. You got to wear this.
Yeah, it's not, what? What? This time around, he brings out an Elvira costume for me. And not only that, it's in a kid's size. It's a child's medium. I'm not wearing it. No, I'm not gonna
You
wear it.
have to wear it. You're under contract.
I don't have to.
Say about the baby.
You're gonna wear it.
I mean, he can't make me wear it. I'm 30 years old. This contract, like, does he know what he can do with his contract? He can't make me wear it, right? I just don't want to do it, Dad. I don't want to do the dress-up thing. Come on.
Okay. Okay.
You guys have fun. You put on the Frankenstein mask, whatever you guys do. You're excited to wear that freaking costume.
I like the mask.
Did you see the mask?
I like it.
That's fine. You know, Alyssa's an adult. I respect whatever her decisions are. That's fine. She doesn't have to do it just to please me.
You like the mask, you wear that mask, okay? But he's got another thing coming. If he thinks I'm sliding my into that child's medium Elvira costume, it's not happening. Because it's impossible, that's why. And because I don't want to. I guess at the end of the day, I'm getting paid. So